Right, so today we're doing a review for Banggood.com. This has been sent to me free of charge in exchange for a review. There will be links down in the description if you're interested in this drill. Go take a look. Right, so let's get on with the review. So this is the Raitool 48VF. That's the model number, not the voltage of the battery. The battery is 21 volts. This version comes with two batteries. You can also get it with a single battery. This version costs $43.99 and the single battery version costs $32.99. So in the kit you get two batteries, the drill itself and the charger. Just comes in a generic cardboard box with bubble wrap inside it, so nothing special. It's got a 10mm chuck or 3/8 inch chuck. It's a lithium battery. It's a brushed motor inside here, as you can probably see. It's sparking, so it's a brushed motor. It's got a hammer action function on it. Got screwdriving, drilling and hammer action function. In the screwdriver setting is where you get your torque settings. Then if you flick it to drill, then the torque settings won't work. So to use the torque settings, you need to flick it into the screwdriver function, and then you've got the hammer action as well, which obviously you can tell, like most of these small drills, hammer action, you know, it's a gimmick pretty much, but it's there if you want it. It's got a 2-speed gearbox on here, so high-low gear ratios, and it's also got your standard variable speed trigger and forward and reverse function and lock in the center. The plastic this is made out of is a glass fibre reinforced plastic. The battery and also the drill is made of that. I checked it with a razor blade, so the durability of the outer plastics should be reasonably good anyway. The batteries inside, just take a look at them. So they can see there's the board for the charging of the lithium cells. And there's the lithium cells themselves. So they're 18650s and 2000 milliamp hours it says on here. So it's a 2 amp hour battery pack. The charger is 21 volts, 1 amp hour. So it would take like, what, 2 hours to charge this. Okay, so let's test this a little bit and see what it can do. Right, okay, so we've got a 10mm drill bit here. Also, we'll try that out in this piece of wood. Right, so there you can see that went through that piece of wood pretty easily. This is 2 inches thick. It's just pine. Okay, so I've got a piece of steel here. It's approximately 3.5 to 4mm thick. We'll see if we can drill a 10mm hole in this. I'm going to use a punch and also pre-drill it with a pilot hole first, like you should do. so we've got the 10mm drill bit here. Right, so we're just going to test the gearbox on this. So I'm going to test it in the low gear first. See if we can get this here, this 4-inch screw or 100mm. So yeah, in the low speed, that'll put that screw in pretty easily. So now we'll try it in the high speed gear. So there you can see it goes into protection mode because we're drawing too much current from the battery. So that's handy to know. So if we put it back into first gear. Yeah, so that will easily put a 4-inch screw in the low gear range. So what are my impressions of this drill? So overall, if you want a drill which is for doing light duty tasks, you know, drilling holes up to 10mm in wood, drilling holes in steel as well, up to around about 10mm. In the steel, it's quite hard work at 10mm. So I would definitely say this is for, you know, it will do it, but you won't want to do it all day long, let's put it that way. But overall, for assembling stuff and, you know, small projects, I think this will probably be pretty good. You know, it's a light duty drill for doing light duty tasks. Overall, you know, it looks to be pretty good. I mean, it will sink a 4-inch screw in the low range gear. It does have a light on the front now. It is a bit of a shame it's not like on other manufacturers where you pull the trigger, it will stay on for a little while after. That's usually quite a handy feature. Yeah, overall, I mean, you know, reasonably impressed with it. It seems to be quite strong. It should be reasonably durable, means it's glass fibre reinforced. Yeah, not too bad. Comes with 2 batteries, like I say, and the charger. Yeah, so it's $43.99 with 2 batteries, or $32.99 with 1 battery. So yeah, not too bad. I'll put links in the description, like I said. Go take a look at it. Please comment and subscribe, it'd be much appreciated. Thanks very much, and I'll see you next time. Bye.